If you're new to knitting, begin with simple patterns like scarves or dishcloths. This will help you practice basic stitches and gain confidence.
Before starting a project, knit a small swatch to check your gauge. This ensures your finished item will be the correct size.
Use stitch markers at regular intervals or at the beginning of rounds to help you keep track of your stitches and pattern repeats.
Keep a row counter handy. A row counter can be incredibly useful to keep track of your rows, especially in complex patterns. Learn to read your knitting. Understanding how stitches look helps you catch mistakes early and avoid having to unravel large sections. For knitting in the round on small diameters,
Like socks or sleeves, the magic loop method with a long circular needle can be a game changer.
insert a lifeline through your stitches every few rows. So if you make a mistake, you can easily rip back to that point without losing your work.
Blocking helps your knitted items reach their final shape and size. It's particularly important for lace or textured patterns.
Keep an organized knitting bag. Keep all your tools like scissors, tape measure, extra needles, and stitch markers in an organized bag to make your knitting more enjoyable and efficient. Take breaks.
Knitting can be repetitive,
So take regular breaks to avoid hand or wrist strain. These tips can help both beginners and experienced knitters improve their skills and enjoy their projects more.